May is National Cancer Research Month, a good time to take a closer look at the clinical research studies. More than 300,000 of them are taking place around the world.
In Health Watch, Shelley Botat explains why they are so important and could potentially save lives.
Through clinical trials, Aurora Baycare Medical Center is taking proactive measures to help make breakthroughs in cancer research.
And you've been feeling great?
I have been.
Toby Rubbis is having a good checkup with medical oncologist Dr. Umang Gautam at the Vince Lombardi Cancer Clinic at Aurora Baycare Medical Center. He's been cancer-free for 5.5 years.
I am back to everything as it was before.
Toby was diagnosed with stage 3 melanoma in 2013.
With stage 3 disease, we generally say that 10-year overall survival is in the range of about 50%.
It was like life-altering. Like, I had two young boys. My wife was pregnant at the time.
The cancer was removed. Then Dr. Gautam suggested that Toby become part of an oncology clinical research trial.
First of all, he gets at least the standard of care, but also whether he could potentially get a better treatment.
Toby joined because of his family.
I felt like I could get potentially the better drug. I mean, I think a lot of it had to do, though, with, I had young kids.
Just in oncology, Aurora Baycare is currently involved in 50 clinical trials.
Clinical trials allow us to really look at new treatments and see if they are any better than what is the current standard of care.
Currently, the standard of care for stage 3 melanoma is interferon alpha 2B.
The outcome was not very good. 4% improvement in survival at 10 years we could certainly improve on that.
Toby's in the phase 3 ECOG 1609 trial.
Was looking at the standard of care high-dose interferon versus use of this immune checkpoint inhibitor called ipilimumab in 2 different doses, low dose as well as high dose.
Toby received the standard treatment of care and not the experimental immunotherapy drug, but his participation is very important and he's glad he chose to join.
By him participating in this trial, we are ensuring that the big jigsaw puzzle that we have with this question, whether ipilimumab is better than interferon, is answered for a future generation.
It was for the future, not only my kids, other people's kids.
Clinical trials are the lifeblood of good medicine.
And remaining cancer-free means more time with his family.
This is normal life now again.
If you are interested in being part of a clinical trial at the hospital, you can call Aurora Baycare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com for more information. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 5 News.